For us, Hadoop has been a real game changer in a lot of ways. It's opened up the, I guess, floodgates, if you will, for what you can do that you couldn't do 5 years ago. The framework as it emerges from its kind of early stages of being MapReduce and HDFS is really starting to show a lot of promise. A lot of us look at it and we see things like a PaaS future, right? So it can be a platform, it can be a framework for truly distributed computing. We see Hortonworks as an essential go-to-market channel for Hadoop. It's very close to the core Apache distribution, and in that sense, it had a lot of appeal for a lot of customers globally. It's about having a landing pad in some cases. So enterprises have been throwing away a lot of data for a long time, and they need a place to put it, first and foremost. And they need a place to do some of the initial data engineering and shaping of the data and such. So for us, HDP has been very important in enabling that whole first class of kind of big data preparation and readiness. HDP enables a whole new class of, I guess, big data preparation and the ability to create the data lake. You know, until a few years ago, businesses were throwing away 10 or 100 times as much data as they were keeping. And HDP has really enabled them for the very first time to create a very large data lake from which we can start to derive value and run a whole new class of big data applications. So it's been invaluable for us. In part because the visibility we gain to the larger ecosystem, the conversations we have with customers globally who enlighten us on their use cases, and the collaboration with Hortonworks Engineering has just been fantastic. Well, they integrate in a variety of ways. We have in the Haven platform a couple of different engines. We have the idle knowledge platform that comes from Autonomy. We have the Vertica Analytic database engine. And we have distributed R, which we developed internally at HP. All three of these interact in the Hadoop ecosystem in various ways. Our principle really is to do the right work in the right place at the right time with a consistent experience for the user.